Hey, it's Matthew, and this is the Hot Wheels 2020 Collector Set 1. These go on sale at Walmart, and there's always 4 every year. This set is really cool because it comes with 104 Hot Wheels, 14 new models, 4 treasure hunts, and 4 super treasure hunts. If you collect all the cars for the year, this is great because they come with all the cars, all the super treasure hunts, and it's a good price. They only make 500 of these each year, so it's a little tough to get. So I'm gonna open this one up for you guys to see what's inside. So each box comes like this, and it shows all the cars in this box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Slide kick. The Bubble-matic, this is the treasure hunt. Road Bandit. Dune It Up, 74 to score, RS 1600. The Land Rover Series 3 pickup, the Hyper Rocket, the Rockin' Santa sled, the Tooligan, the 67 Jeepster Commando. This is the super version. And then here's the regular. The Gotta Go, and the Chrysler Pacifica. So let's open up the next box. The Heavy Hitcher, the Embosser, the Dior 3, the HW Armored Truck, the Diaper Dragger, the 76 Greenwood Corvette, the Alpine A110 Cup, the Volvo 850 Estate, the Batmobile, the Hollinator, the Ford GT40, this is the regular, Dodge Viper SRT10 ACR, and the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. So let's open up the next box. The Carbonator, the Head Starter, the 64 Chevy Impala, the 65 Ford Mustang Convertible, the 2 Jet Z, the Night Shifter, the Street Stealth, the 69 Chevelle, Speed Driver, the Ford GT40, this is a super, and here's a comparison. And what's cool is that they have the Factory Seal 2020 set sticker on the card. The Sword Warthog, the Batplane, and the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. This is a treasure hunt. So let's open up the next box. The HW450F, the Total Disposal, the Twin Meal Gen E, the 18 Couple Camaro SS, the Cloak and Dagger, Pedal D Metal, High-Tech Missile, HW Formula Solar, the Octane, Custom 71 El Camino, RV There Yet, Rip Rod, and the 2005 Ford Mustang. So let's open up the next box. Buns of Steel. This is also the treasure hunt. Aeropod. Surf and Turf. 95 Mazda RX-7. 96 Porsche Carrera, the Mazda Repu. The Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32, this is the regular. The 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. The Skull Shaker, the Radical Racer. The 89 Porsche 944 Turbo. And the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR32. This is a super. Here's them compared. So let's open up the next box. The Roller Toaster. Snoopy. 2008 Lancer Evolution. Roger Dodger. 2018 Ford Mustang GT. 92 Ford Mustang. The Power Rocket. The Aston Martin Vulcan. The 16 Bugatti Chiron. The 68 Dodge Dart. The Cruise Bruiser. The Cool One. And the Manga Tuna. So now we're down to the last two boxes. The Honda Monkey Z50. Grass Chomper. This is the treasure hunt. The Chill Mill. Forward Force. And the HW Warp Speeder. Pixel Shaker. Wheelie Chair. Nerve Hammer. Grupo X24. 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Indy 500 Oval. Robo Race Robocar. And the 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. So we're down to the last box, and let's see what's inside. Beat All. The Poison Arrow. The 68 Chevy Nova. Tankinator. 49 Volkswagen Beetle Pickup. The Porsche 918 Spider. This is the super. And here's a regular. Here's them compared. Huge difference. BMW K1300R. Supervan. Porsche 917LH. Moto Wing. The Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. And the 8 crate. So I'm gonna give away these two cars for this unboxing.
In order to be entered for the giveaway, 1. Like and subscribe. Only verified subscribers will be able to win. 2. Comment below I love Hot Wheels. And 3. Forward this video to 2 people.
I am disappointed that there weren't the IDs, but it's still worth buying. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite car is out of this 2020 collector set 1.